Today we're going to show you the basics of your Napoleon ProFlame 2 remote. Each remote has a receiver which is plugged into a 120 millivolt outlet. There is also a transmitter, which is what most people know as the remote. To turn the remote on or off, press the power button. The screen will glow blue when it turns on, and when you turn it off, the screen will go blank, except for the temperature. Make sure you only press buttons once. It may take 30 seconds for a function to go through. If you would like to change your temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, make sure the remote is off. Then, press the mode button and the thermometer button at the same time. If you are in the state of Utah, you will want to make sure your pilot is set to IPI, or intermittent pilot, versus CPI, or continuous pilot. While your unit may come with the CPI option, continuous pilots are not allowed in the state of Utah. To change this on your unit, make sure your remote is off and press the mode button. IPI or CPI will show. Use the arrow keys to switch between the two. Finally, you can child lock the remote by pressing the mode button and the up arrow keys at the same time. You should see a lock icon just above the desired temperature. That's it for the basics. In our next video, we will cover the feature modes of the ProFlame 2 remote. You can navigate to that video by waiting until the end of this video, or scroll down to the description and click on the link below.